How to download and install Citi Bank mobile banking app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install Citi Bank mobile banking app. For that, you want to open the Play Store app on your Android device. If you are on iPhone, you want to open App Store. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the search bar, you want to type Citi Bank mobile app. Now, this is the application you should be looking for. Unfortunately, this application is not available in all the countries and regions. So if it is not available, you won't find the install button. However, if this application is available in your country and region, go ahead and tap on the install button. As soon as you tap on that button, the downloading will begin. If you want to know more about this application, tap on About this app, and here you have all the necessary information, including the app information. Now, once the downloading has been completed, the application will be installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option, log into your account and start using this app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.